What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, this is another problem that we have to solve. Now, as you can see, now we have fractions. How are we gonna solve this one, guys? Now, if you're given this problem here, remember you have to use the formulas. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, I will advise you to subscribe to the channel because we've done videos on topics like trigonometry, limits, also deriving from the first principle and the standard derivatives. You can watch those videos on the playlist. I put them all there together on the playlist if you're interested on those videos. Now, if you're returning to the channel, welcome back. You can pause this video and solve this problem and let's see if you're gonna get the same answer as the one that I got from this video. All right, so from here, guys, sorry, I got disturbed. From here, guys, you will have to watch until the end because there is the end of this playlist. There is a playlist at the end of this video where I derive from the standard until this part here. So this is gonna be part 9 of derivatives. Right, so let's do this expression. Remember, this is an exponent. So before we do this, let's write the formula here on our left. So remember, we are given something like this now. So this one here, you have to use this formula here. The minute you have some sort of a fraction, you have to use this formula here where we have k as a coefficient of the base multiplied by a exponent. Oh, let me just say, and then the coefficient of an exponent, and then there we go, the coefficient of x. And then when we find dy dx, this is gonna give us something like this, n, right, multiplied by k, and then we say a, and n, x, and natural log a. So guys, these formulas, or this formula that I'm using here, I made a video explaining how to use these formulas, and there's more. So go and watch this video. If you don't understand this formula, you can go and watch this video on top here where I explain these formulas there. Right, so we need to use this formula to differentiate this. Now we need to know what k is and what n is. We know already that a is the base, so we have to be very, very careful. Let's look at this. So when you look at this, k is gonna be 1.5. Remember, this 2, this over 2, it basically means 1.5. Given that a is 5, and then n is gonna be 6. So if you can able to tell, or you can able to see this, then you can able to use this formula here. So let's differentiate, guys. Let's derive, right? Let's find the derivative, right? Let's start with k. So if we say 1 over 2, remember this 1 over 2, remember we have 1 here on the numerator, okay, multiplying by the base. So then we have to multiply it by n, okay, or I did vice versa, but it's still fine, guys. Multiply by n, and our n here is gonna be 6, right? Then multiply by our k, our a, which is 5, but then our a has the exponent of 6x, and then this is going to be multiplied by natural log, and then 5. There we go. If you continue, we can say 6 divided by 2. Guys, do not multiply this 6 with that 5 to the power of 6x. You're not allowed to do that because this 6 doesn't have the same exponent as this here. The exponent here is 1, so it's a number, so you can only do this. You can only divide 6 with 2, so this is going to be 3, and then multiply by 5, 6x, and then our answer is 5. Guys, I hope you managed to understand this one. So this one needed you to know these guys, these terms here. So if you know what these terms are, then you can able to substitute on this formula here. All right, so I hope you guys understood. If it so happen that you didn't understand, you can also rewatch this video, or you can comment on the comment section and ask the questions. But if you find this video very useful and it helps you to understand, then you can like the video and also comment. If you have any comment, if you have any way of solving this which is easier, you can also comment as well. And you can always share this video to your friends. Guys, you can also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, because there's more videos that I'm going to do based on maths in general. So do not forget to watch the playlist at the end of this video that will show all the type of derivatives in sequence order. Thank you very much guys for watching. Until next time, cheers.